Hi friends, you are very creative, but choosing a wonderful WordPress theme is always challenging. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. Today I have a wonderful theme called Novo. Novo is a specific theme made for photography and related services, and if you are a photographer or making a website for photographer or agency, this video is for you. This is very creative theme and no doubt it is the best in this category. In fact, this video is fourth or fifth video in this category. I am in photography category. I am recording fifth video. Different themes are here in this channel, but this one is the best, I must tell you. It has 11 demo websites and all are stunning, wonderful and having very professional look. We will check one or two demos as well, and in this video we are going to install Novo WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress. We will also import the demo content and also see the customization option available in this theme. So let us check one of the demo. This is the demo, first demo of Novo theme. You can see it has very clear look and super professional layout. Pages are wonderful. The preloader is very good. This is dark version. I'll show you the light version as well. So you can see the features are awesome and all designs you cannot compare. In fact, you can choose any depending upon your purpose. I'll show you one of the light version. This is the light version. Oh, it is wonderful. So you can see the navigation of slider. It is in parallax type design, and no doubt the theme has no match in the category, and it also supports the WooCommerce, I mean e-commerce activities. So you can even choose this theme to make a e-commerce website in this category. Novo. So without any further delay, let us proceed towards the installation. Meanwhile, I'll show you the developer. I will tell you something about the developer. Ypromo are the developers. They are elite author, and theme was made in 2017, and for this theme regular updates is also being done. So you can rest assured this is the latest version available in this channel, and you can choose without any doubt. It has great number of sales in fact, and people are using this since long. Let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the latest version of WordPress has been installed. This is the look of basic look, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got licensing, documentation, Novo theme main file and the child file. So for installation we need to go in the WP. I assume you have already installed the latest version, and go to the themes, add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose novo.zip, and I assume you are already having direct access on your server, so you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time. Both are same activity. You can opt any to upload the theme, and theme is having very light size. It is just 3.13 MB, very light size. I rarely seen this size in the themes. I used to install multiple themes, but such a lightweight theme is rarely available. So the website is going to be very fast with this theme, and the dependency would be less on the other plugins, as I assume, but I will definitely show you. It will not take more than a minute in upload, so just be here. And it is about to complete now. Once it gets uploaded, we need to extract the Novo zip, and the extraction outcome is this Novo folder in which we got all the theme components. Folder and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. Now go to the theme section again. Now we have Novo as another theme option. This is Novo version 3.1.6 by Promo Theme, and we present an awesome photography WordPress theme. Yes, it is really. So activate it. Upon activation, we landed in a setup wizard. This is also good thing that this wizard will help us in the complete installation process. So this is a unique thing. In fact, it can be found in very less number of themes. Anyways, so we can proceed now. Let us go. And it shows this theme needs certain plugins, and these are the list of plugins which is required. So it has been clearly mentioned that installation required: advanced custom fields, Black Studio, Tiny Mice Widget, and booked contact form, Pretty Music, and all these things are required. So this theme has been developed on Unison framework. There are two framework basically, Unison and Redux. Both are wonderful, and I always prefer to use Unison or Redux framework for WordPress development, and I always advise to use themes made on these framework only. So this is another good advantage with this theme. So we can continue now for installation of plugins. Plugins are now being installed, and all things, all activities is absolutely automatic. You can see the advanced custom field has been installed, and another Black Studio Tiny Mice Widget is installed. Booked is being installed. So the progress bar is saying everything. So booked got some error, so we will check for another instance as well. So everything is going on. Just be on this page and don't try to leave or refresh this page. It is a necessary activity and it is fully automatic, so you have to do nothing on this screen. Just wait. And now it is about to complete. It took just 2 minutes, and just we need to check the booked, which got some Ajax error. Rest of plugins has been installed successfully, and WP Bakery page builder is also need to be checked, but it can be done in the next option also only. Just agree and continue. Theme is activated. So Okay, the website is ready. Let us check, because 2 plugins has been paid, so I am not sure. Okay, it is actually not ready. So let us check the installation. In fact, Booked is already installed here, so this is not a challenge, and page builder is also here. WP page builder, both plugin was showing the Ajax error, but both has been installed. This is not the part of this theme. This is mine, and all plugins are here fine and working good. So now we can check the pages. In fact, we need to check pages what if we got in something. Okay, so there is no demo data in this site, as the setup wizard helped us, but there is no demo. In fact, the theme is activated and ready to work. Log into WordPress dashboard to make changes and modify necessary pages. So let us check. At this stage we definitely need some demo content, so that we may complete the website just like a demo website. So we have an option import demo content under Novo theme. So let us check. And this is one click demo import, and yes, we have all the options here for the demo content, and definitely you can choose any of these available demos. In fact, there are many demos available for you, and you can choose any as per your requirement, as per your choice. And it is really good for us that we got multiple demos, and by default I used to install the first demo. This is why I am going to install the first one, but I am not sure. I did not like this. In fact, anyways, I'll import the full white version. I don't like the dark one, so you can choose any. I'm importing the full white version. Just click on import full white. Yes, import, and the import process is going on. It may take some time because it is going to download the media files and all necessary files. So just be on this screen. Don't try to leave or refresh this page. You'll reach on this screen once the demo import gets complete, and there is some warning. This is just due to we have not installed the WooCommerce, because we are not intended to use the e-commerce as in this installation. But yes, if you are in plan to use e-commerce as well, you need to first install the WooCommerce plugin as well, then start the import. Then you will not get this warning type message, and rest demo import has finished, but there are some import errors. That is fine. So now we can check our home page, how it looks. Okay, so this is the home page with content, and I assume the media files has not been given by the theme developer. I mean, just placeholder images has been given, and definitely if we are making a photography WordPress theme, WordPress website, then we are going to use our own images, so no demo image is required in fact. And for this home page I need to check the pages, and this is the pages what we got in the demo installation. and there are many pages. In fact 64 pages, 65 pages has been given in the demo, and there are various pages for various uses. Even you can see some of pages, and I also wish to see some page, and this is the page, and it is good. In fact if we are intended to have this page as home page, just like I'll show you the demo of, like, this is the demo of freelancer page, and let it be loaded. This is the page with the original images, just images are there, and this is our page without the actual images, and the structure is here of course, and everything is here, so no need, everything was working fine. And now we can go for setting the home page, actual home page what we imported for this installation, the white one. The white version we have imported, the photography white version. So let us check the demo. It is full white. It was full white. Yes, this is the demo what we imported, and as I told you, you can choose any, and this is having just images on a scroll and nothing else, and this is some navigation, and somehow we have imported this portion, this theme, I mean this layout, and this is having only images in slider, and we need to check where it is in our import. I'm looking for the home page. Okay, fine, and there is one home is here, we can check, and there is another musician home is also here. Okay, so this is the home page what we chosen to import. This is the agency one, and this is the freelancer, and this is the white. So this is what we chosen to import, and this is our outcome. So definitely we need to put image here, and I can show you how you can do this, but it has been imported. So okay, fine, so everything is working good. Okay, good. And these are the navigation, social media navigation, and all seems to be working, and a booked appointment is also here, so it is good. And now there comes to menus and navigation, all such things. So in this we have not got any menu, so I'll go for menus first, and the setting up the main home page what we have imported. So for this, simply go to customize, and we need to go in home page setting, a static page, and here we need to select the home one, This is the home, and just publish it. The home is published, and for menus we need to go and appearance, menus. So let us check if we got some menus. Okay, so we have menus, and we just need to assign. Yes, I have assigned a menu as well. Now we can again check our website. Okay, so I have already set the home page, so no need to open the specific page. We can directly open the home page. Yes, so it is done. Now we can compare this. This is the demo, and since we have not installed the WooCommerce, as I already told you, if you want to use WooCommerce, then install the WooCommerce plugin first, then start the import process, and you'll get all the product as well, and a demo product I mean. And this is our website, so everything is here now, all working fine. Yes, good. And you can see the speed of page, it is actually very good. So shop we have not done. No doubt it is a wonderful theme for in photography category, and it has multiple options. And now it comes I'll show you two more things, the theme options and the customization. So let us first see the theme options, what we got in additional in the theme option. So this is Novo theme, and setup wizard we have already seen, and I'll show you the theme option, what we got for controlling the website. And this is the theme options. So general setting is here, preloader, logo, header. You can change the header elements, definitely. Theme fonts, you can choose any. Typography, social button in footer, 404 page, coming soon page, portfolio project page, portfolio lightbox, blog category style, blog post, blog categories, product, share buttons, translation, GDPR, custom code, and import export. So all options has been given here only, so you can control the complete websites from here. And appointments are here if you are using appointments for controlling the appointments etc. So rest things are normally available in the WordPress. Pretty music album, if you are using the music demo, then this will be useful for you. And now the only part remaining in this video is the customization. So we can go to explore the customization option available. Just click on edit page, what page you want to edit or change at your own. And this is the WP Bakery customizer, and this is very simple. and the customization is simple. So just click on banner item and just change this image for the size is already given, and I'll do one for you, and I'll also show you one trick here. This was the demo website which we have imported, and the images, as you can see, has been used here. If you just want to check or use this image, let us say, but you cannot use this image as the copyright issue may be there, and I have opened this website in the Firefox, and what I'll do, I'll just right click and view the page info, go in media file, and I'll get this image here in the media file. So we need 24, what size we need, just let me check, 2448 1242 image is required. So this is not the image. Yes, we got one image here of that size, and this is the image. I'm just saving it randomly because I just need to show you how to do this. You can definitely change your image or create image of this specific size. I'm just showing you for the demo purpose. I'll use that image which I just downloaded, slide 4. So you can see all the media files have been given in the placeholder type. So, and it is good that the size has been specified, and I just uploaded one image for you and just updating the page. It is so simple. So just click on pencil icon, and you can do this at your own. So no challenge at all. You just need to create images of that specific size what you want to put on the website. Now we can check the page with one image only. I just placed one image for demonstration. Yes, so everything is fine. So I put the black one, this is why this, and it is fine. The purpose is working good, and you can check with another image as well if you just want to check. This image is having something different in size, but I can check with this. Where it has been used, and this is the image. I just downloaded another image and that is having something different size, but let us check if we can use this image for demonstration only. I am repeating again, this is demonstration and you have to use your own image only. But since this is image based website, so I just want to show you everything is working fine with the images, and I definitely I will recommend you only to use a specific size as given in the placeholder image. And now I can recheck the page. This is good one, and yes, so different size image will also work, but that should be in full in size. But I recommend to use a specific size what has been given in placeholder. So website is ready. So everything is working fine. I just shown you with the images also, and you can import any of the available demos for you for your project, and everything is fine. So if you got any trouble during the installation process, or if you want to ask something, you can directly get in touch with me. I'm just giving the link of my website where you can start a discussion thread, and even you can write in the comment section of this video. I'm also going to give you the link where you can get this theme with the proper hosting packages, and even only theme, whatever you want to choose you can get there, and everything is available on that link. So just follow that link, and I assume you have already subscribed this channel, and if not, please do that. I'm going to bring some important plugins and wonderful themes for you. Just keep watching. Thank you.